Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to Delta Rules. In today's video, we got more unusual options activity for you. Now, guys, remember the information presented by Delta Rules and myself is for educational purposes only. Trading stocks and options involve risks that are not suitable for all investors. Please make sure to always do your own due diligence. Now, guys, if you don't know anything about options or about how options work and somehow ended up on this video, I do have 3 courses down below that will teach you about options from top to bottom, as well as a video showing you how to set up a scanner on Thinkorswim for unusual options activity. Having said that, the first company we're going to be looking into today is going to be ACCD. And this is, let me actually pull it up real quick. And this is Accolade, if I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, but that is Accolade. They are actually in the business, let me actually make sure here. They are actually in the business of providing technology solutions, mainly for the healthcare industry. Now, guys, make sure once again to always do your own due diligence, because I may not be describing this company the exact way as I should be. So make sure to always do your own due diligence. As you guys know, my job is to bring you the unusual options activity, and I see some unusual options activity on this stock. So that's pretty much it. They are in the healthcare business, to provide they look like they simply provide a platform for the healthcare industry. They also recently made an acquisition of another company. So like I said, make sure to always do your own due diligence. Now, taking a look down here, we can see that it's not too many of the options purchased at the ask or above. However, if we come down here, we can see that most of the volume was actually purchased at the ask or above. And this were the 15th of October. And we come over and, they went out for some time. They do look quite expensive. I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. These are expensive options. Then again, it does look like this is a mover. So it has been moving quite a bit there. It had sort of a big day today. Volatility is looking good. It's looking midway. But just the fact that somebody came in here and bought all of these calls at the ask price, this is almost like a $200,000 order right here. So this is definitely something I'm going to be looking at for the future. This is not a stock that trades that many options. We could see that the open interest was completely empty before someone actually came in here. These are the 65s. Yes, they are 65s. And as you guys could tell, as you guys could tell, there's more call buying on here and more open interest. As you guys could tell, it was a 2,000 volume. So this is definitely something I'm looking at the chart, looking at the year. Let's actually look at the max. It doesn't look like this has been around for a long time. So where is it? There you are. Okay. So yeah, it hasn't been around for a long time. As far as it has been around for a long time, but it hasn't been public for a long time. It looks like on 7/2/2020, they actually started, or they actually went public, and they have been moving ever since, but they have been moving in a range. So definitely seeing those, unusual options activity, and there definitely gives me some confidence on this. So that was the first one. And the second one I actually have for you guys is actually UMC. And this is they are United Microelectrics. They are actually in the business of semiconductors. So this is definitely another one that I've seen a lot of unusual activity for. As you guys could tell, and as you guys know, I am a big advocate of the today's option statistics. 73% of the options, of the 43,000 options purchased today, or the call options, 43,000 call options purchased today were purchased at the ask price. If we come down here, we could tell it was just aggressive call buying, especially for those Junes and Julys. If we come up here, we can actually tell that there's quite a bit of volume on there. And the Julys, let's actually take a look. And we can see that there's quite a bit of volume on there as well. However, there was already quite a bit of open interest on there. Looking at the chart, this is definitely something that has been on a tear. Let's actually take a look at the yearly. It has been doing good ever since it popped out of that $2 range. And it has been going up. So this is definitely something I'm going to be looking at. Volatility, let's actually take a look at volatility. Let's see how that is doing. It's currently at 11% on the percentile. And the implied volatility is at 85. So I wouldn't say this is low implied volatility, because there is just, it doesn't look like there is as much. Let me take a look. Hold on. Let me see. Okay, yeah, there is quite a bit of history on this. So yeah, I mean, I would definitely take a look. I would definitely think that this volatility is low for this stock. It does look like it has a lot of history on it. Lowest being at 18% for the 52-week high, and highest being at 600. So that's the reason why I'm saying it can be a little deceiving seeing this volatility percentile 11%. So this is definitely something I'm looking at, simply because, I mean, it's just very aggressive call buying. So this is definitely something I usually follow. And you know, this is exactly what I like to see on my unusual options activity. So this is definitely something I'm going to be looking at, but that's pretty much it. I really appreciate everybody that has been liking the video, subscribing. I really love you guys. Keep on liking the videos, keep on subscribing. I will keep on coming for you. You guys have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there.